Hey guys, sorry about the crappy videography, but if you go to Canva, I see so many guys wasting a lot of money on logos that they're not even like good logos. They're like just templates from Canva. You paid somebody to do you a template. So if you go to templates, you go to logos. Now you can do whatever you want. You can spend $50 on a non-one-of-a-kind logo, but I'm not saying you won't get a good one either. Like, some guys are really good at it, but here's a nice, easy way. You just go to business, go to logos. Okay, and then I just started blank. I'm gonna see, I don't know, I didn't even look to see if there's anything for pressure washing. I did earlier, but not on logos. Okay, let's see if they got a house. Okay, so they do got a little house here. Let's see what we can do with this, just for the sake of it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let's see. Oh, right there, they got type pressure wash. Okay. So you can just scroll through. I'd like to find a nice looking wand. So sometimes it might take a minute to find what you want. You know what? Let me type wand maybe. And this is an Elements. Oh, I'm just gonna grab something just for. Thought maybe I could find a wand under something else. I was trying to show you how fast you could do this, but what I really want is a wand, and I can't find one. Okay, I remember there was something on here. See, I'm still learning this a little bit too, but I'm just trying to show you how easy. Go with this thing. Okay, now we'll just add a little text. Now this is nothing special. If you want to get really into it, you gotta like get into the you gotta like get the pro. It costs some money, but we'll just say. There's probably really a Pressure Pros business, and I just want to throw in there that I'm not stealing your thunder or nothing like that. I'm just making this for a example. crap. Or then with the text, you can come up here and click, make it whatever color you want to make it. Add another something, I don't know. You can get creative with it, but nice, easy logo for whatever. And this don't look that good, like, let's be real. But I was just playing real quick just to show you. You can upload your own pictures. You can go through and see what all they have. They have different stuff for Canva Pro, which you can see up here. I'm sorry, I'm really horrible with the camera, but you got Canva Pro, which unlocks a lot more stuff from what I can imagine. But I wanted to move it, and it won't let me move it. Oh well, whatever. You get the point. It's pretty simple. Make a nice, quick little logo. Again, I'm not... Pressure Pro is just for an example. If you have a business named Pressure Pro, I'm not trying to steal your thing. Just showing how easy it is just to put a logo together real quick in a pinch. If you want something really magnificent, there are some people that charge $50 that do some really good ones if you look around. But I've been seeing some, like, retarded, stupid-looking logos that people pay good money for. And you can clearly tell they just went to a thing like Canva, threw it together real quick.